Meet Super B's Ultimate Cassette Removal Duo, the TB-FW42 Cassette Removal Toolkit. First, you'll get the TB-FW40 Cassette Pliers. It's specially designed to perfectly fit cassette teeth. It grips securely without slipping or stripping. Its adjustable opening fits sprockets from 10 to 17 teeth, supporting 5 to 11 speed drivetrains. The extended ergonomic handle makes applying force easier, speeding up removal and installation. Paired with the TB-1020 Lockring removal and installation tool, compatible with many cassette systems, including Shimano's disc brake lock rings. A built-in guide pin stabilizes the tool and prevents slipping, making your work smoother. All you need is a 24mm wrench. So whether you're in the garage or the workshop, it's easy to get started. Whether you're doing home repairs or working in a professional shop, the TB-FW42 is an indispensable tool for cassette removal and installation.